Hello children, it is very nice to see you again. I welcome you back for session 9. In this session we are going to discuss about baking soda and washing soda. So in last class we were discussing that sodium chloride is a raw material for many of the chemicals such as sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, baking powder and washing powder. In today's session, we shall discuss about the chemical formula, synthesis, reaction and uses of baking powder and washing powder. The chemical formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. It can also be called as bread soda, cooking soda, etc. Here how we can prepare this is baking soda is obtained by the reaction of brine. I hope you know brine solution, aqueous solution of sodium chloride with carbon dioxide and ammonia. This process is known as Solvay process. So the overall reaction is NaCl plus CO2 plus NH3 gives rise to NaHCO3 sodium bicarbonate plus ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Now we'll see the properties of sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, it is a white crystalline solid, but it seems to be fine powdery. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means it can react with both acid and base. The third property is it is sparingly soluble in water. Sparingly means partially soluble in water. And thermal decomposition of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Thermal decomposition means decomposition takes place in the presence of heat. So when baking soda is heated, it decomposes to form sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water. Uses of baking powder. When baking powder is heated in the presence of any acid, it will release carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide gas is used for the baking of breads and which makes them to be soft and spongy. Next, it is used as an ingredient in antacid. You know, antacid is a base which is used to neutralize the extra acid in our stomach and it gives relief. The next one is it is also used in soda acid fire extinguishers. The next product is washing soda. The chemical formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. The chemical name of sodium carbonate is sodium carbonate decahydrate. So since it has 10 H2O molecules, it is called as decahydrate. The first reaction shows the preparation of sodium hydrogen carbonate. So from sodium hydrogen carbonate only we can prepare sodium carbonate. When sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, we already learned this equation. It releases sodium carbonate plus carbon dioxide. To that sodium carbonate, when you add water, it takes 10 molecules of water and forms sodium carbonate decahydrate. This sodium carbonate is a combination of strong base sodium hydroxide and weak acid hydrogen carbonate, that is carbonic acid. So this sodium carbonate decahydrate is a basic salt. So when it is dissolved in water, it gives the strong base sodium hydroxide. It is used as a clearing agent. For cleaning purpose it is being used, and it is also used in paper and glass industry. We have come to the end of the session. You have few questions to answer. We shall meet in the next session with the water of crystallization and POP. Thank you children. Bye.